In the hallowed halls of Stuttgart, where legends are forged and dreams take flight, Porsche is about to commit the unthinkable. They're silencing the heartbeat that has pulsed through every mid-engine masterpiece for decades. The flat-six symphony that has defined the 718 Boxster and Cayman is about to go quiet forever. This is more than engineering evolution. This is Porsche rewriting the very DNA of driving passion. By 2027, the iconic 718 will be reborn not with gasoline coursing through its veins, but with electricity crackling through every fiber of its being. The Porsche 718 EV isn't just another electric car. It's a declaration of war against the notion that soul requires sound. For 75 years, Porsche has mastered the delicate alchemy of lightweight precision and raw emotion. Now they face their greatest challenge, preserving that intoxicating essence while embracing a future powered by pure physics rather than fossil fuels. How do you bottle lightning when lightning itself has changed? The answer lies in obsession. Porsche's engineers aren't simply electrifying a sports car. They're reimagining what it means to feel connected to four wheels and asphalt. Built around the revolutionary PPE platform, the 718 EV will offer both dual-motor all-wheel drive fury and single-motor rear-wheel purity. Where once there was engine roar, now there's instant torque that may rival the legendary 911 Carrera in acceleration. Range anxiety becomes range confidence with a projected 250 to 300 miles per charge. The chassis, sculpted from lightweight materials, cradles batteries like a Formula One car cradles its heart. Every curve, every vent, every line has been wind tunnel tested to slice through air with surgical precision. The design language speaks fluent future, sleek headlights that pierce darkness like laser beams, aerodynamic sculptures that make wind their ally, and a cockpit where analog heritage meets digital revolution. If you like the Porsche 718 EV, then like and subscribe. But here's where Porsche's true genius reveals itself. This isn't a compliance vehicle masquerading as a sports car. This is a driver's car that happens to be electric. Every input, every response, every microsecond of feedback has been calibrated to deliver that indefinable connection between human and machine that makes Porsche, Porsche. The 718 EV represents more than technological advancement. It's Porsche's bold proclamation that driving passion transcends fuel type, that the future of automotive emotion doesn't require a drop of gasoline. In the cathedral silence of electric propulsion, they're composing a new symphony of speed. But as we stand on the precipice of this electric revolution, one haunting question lingers in the air like morning mist over the Nürburgring. Will the whisper-quiet thrust of electrons ever stir our souls the way 12 cylinders of controlled combustion once did?